I'm here with Flagpoles, etc., and I'm going to share some information with you about our 12-inch eagles. Our eagles have an 11.5-inch wingspan and measures 12 inches from the top of the wing to the bottom of the bolt. The eagles are made of 100% cast aluminum and have a 3-inch gold ball beneath it. It screws into the top of your flagpole by a 1/2-inch threaded bolt. This painted eagle is meant to look very casual and natural for those who want more than just the average ball finial for their flagpole look. These painted eagle flagpole toppers are also extremely high quality and durable with a nice finish. A gold eagle finial is a classy finish for any flagpole. It's simple and matches everything on your flagpole perfectly. Our gold eagle finials come in both 12-inch and 24-inch sizes. These gold eagles are also high quality with a beautiful shiny finish. Both painted and gold are recommended for flagpoles ranging from 16 feet to 25 feet. Our eagles are made of 100% cast aluminum, so they will never rust, chip, or peel. They are made to last a lifetime. These eagle finials make a great addition to any flagpole. Give us a call at 888-735-5591 or visit our website at flagpolesetc.com.